Namaskar, my name is Shiv Kumar Tripathi. First of all, I would like to thank my respected mentor, Mr. Deepak Sharma sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to express my views on this very influential topic, the glory of a teacher, the glory and importance of a teacher. As we know that we have a very ancient civilization. And the whole world know that the Indian civilization and culture is the ancient, that which is called Sanatan. And I want to express my views by giving two examples of preceptor, teacher, preceptor बोले तो guru, teacher, mentor. By giving two examples of preceptors that have been taken from the ancient history in our scriptures, in our mythologies, and I want to say that the first incident I want to say that has been taken from the ancient eras. I mean the era of Janpadat, Mahajanpadat. It is the time of when Sikandar attacked our country. It was the time of 326 BC. Sikandar, after conquering all over the world, Sikandar wanted to conquer India, and he wanted to enter India. First of all, he was faced by Porus, a very minor king of India that was situated somewhere in Punjab. And while facing Sikandar by Porus, there was a very famous preceptor and guru that his name was Chanakya, Vishnugupta, and we can also tell him Kautilya. That he was the prominent professor of the ancient university of the world, Takshashila, that was somewhere situated in India. This time that place is called Afghanistan. And when Chanakya perceived that Porus cannot face Sikandar for a long time, then he wanted to meet that time very famous and very strongest king, Dhananand. That was and he was the king of Patliputra, the Magadha Empire, and there were 16 Mahajanpadas that time, and Magad was the very prosperous and very strongest Janpad that time, and its capital was Patliputra. This time that is called Patna, and it was founded by a very famous Hajar dynasty king Udayin. Patna was established by Udayin. Then Chanakya went there to meet Dhananand. When he reaches there in the court of Dhananand, Dhananand was seated at his throne, and he was engrossed in the luxurious life of his daily life. Before him, a very beautiful lady was dancing, and he was enjoying liquor. After reaching there, Chanakya waits for some time, and after being over the program of dancing, Chanakya expressed his views about Dhananand to stop Sikandar there, Alexander there. But Dhananand insults him and kick him, and after being kicked by Dhananand, Chanakya challenged him and said that Dhananand, teacher is not an ordinary person. The destruction and construction is produced in his life, and I will make it proof. I will destroy, I will devastate your whole kingdom in the destruction, and he goes from there. And after coming, and while coming, they came across a very little boy that was performing a deed as king, and he met him and took him to the Takshashila University where he used to teach and made him a king, the first king who founded the first integrated empire of India. That boy name was called Chandragupta Maurya. And after his mother's name was Mora. After his mother's name, he founded Mauryan dynasty. And the second example of Dronacharya. Once, what happened? When Dronacharya was in Gurukul, his friend was Drupad. When after completing their education, Drupad became a king and Dronacharya only a Brahmin, a only poor saint. Then Dronacharya, for completing his some purpose, Dronacharya went to meet his friend Drupad, who had been a king. Then after reaching there in the court, Drupad did not recognize Dronacharya, and Dronacharya then made a decision to make an exchange, make a revenge, and he returns, and he used to teach Arjun and Pandavas and Kauravas. And when Arjun completes his total education, then Arjun says that Guruvar, I want that you can demand Guru Dakshina.